Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change hairstyles in a photo using Vivid AI. So Vivid AI is an AI tool that will help you create and edit content faster, like maybe create a AI video, AI talking photo, avatar video, product photo, and many more. And if you want to try it too, make sure to click the link in the descriptions and pin comment to open this web. Just open the Pipit AI, and then after that just click on the image generator, this one, and then after that just upload the photo that you want to change the hairstyles. For example, I want to choose this one like this, and then next just describe your hairstyles, your new hairstyles on the prompt box. For example, I want to write a simple descriptions like this. For example, like this, and after that just choose your AI model and then resolutions, and you can also adjust the size over here, and after that just click on submit and wait for a moment. And okay, like this, we'll get the results like this, and I think the result, it looks so good, it looks so natural, it likes real hair like this, and not looks AI results. And okay, that's it. You can just try it yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.